welcome to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes. Honda has officially launched the 2025 ADV 160, and this adventure scooter is now smarter, more powerful, and feature-packed than ever. But does it truly stand out as the best adventure scooter? Today we'll cover its design, engine, features, and price in detail. Design and build. The 2025 Honda ADV 160 is designed for adventure lovers. With its sharp and sporty look, high ground clearance, and wide tires, it's built not just for city rides, but also for off-road adventures. Honda has upgraded the LED headlights for better visibility and added a foldable windscreen, making long rides even more comfortable. Engine and performance. This scooter comes with a 156.9cc, 4-valve liquid-cooled engine that delivers 16 HP of power and 14.7 Nm of torque. Honda has included its ESP Plus technology, improving fuel efficiency. With a CVT gearbox, the ADV 160 is perfect for both urban commutes and highway rides. Features and technology. The 2025 Honda ADV 160 is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, and other essential information. Additional premium features include a smart key system, USB charging port, and dual-channel ABS, making it one of the most feature-rich scooters in its category. Suspension and comfort. It features 31 Showa USD front forks and dual rear shock absorbers, ensuring excellent stability on all types of roads. The spacious seat provides exceptional comfort for long journeys, while the 8.1-liter fuel tank gives it an extended range. Price and availability. The expected price of the 2025 Honda ADV 160 is around 1.2 lakh ex-showroom. It will first launch in Indonesia, Thailand, and other Asian markets, followed by global availability. Conclusion. If you're looking for a powerful, stylish, and adventure-ready scooter, the Honda ADV 1602025 is a great choice. With its fuel efficiency, premium features, and rugged design, it's ready for any ride. What do you think of the new Honda ADV 160? Can it compete with Yamaha Aero X155 or Aprilia SR 160? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for more exciting updates on upcoming bikes and scooters.